Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can withdraw from Fiverr to your Payoneer account. So in here, you just have to open your Fiverr and then tap on My Business and tap on the earnings. So in here, what you're going to do is just tap on Manage Payout Methods and then go ahead and tap on Add New Payment Method. So in here, you just have to click on this Payoneer account and then they will just send you a code on your mobile phone. So you just have to enter here the code that you've received. So once you're done with that, tap on Continue to Payoneer and then you will be redirected in here. So if you already have the Payoneer account, tap on here, click this, and you will be redirected here where you have to put your email or username and your password. Once you're done, tap on Sign In. And then there you have it. Once you tap on Sign In, your Fiverr and Payoneer will be linked. And once you tap on Withdraw from your Fiverr, you will have the Payoneer in there. So you just have to click on it so that your earnings will be sent to your Payoneer. So I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!